Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make money online from Kuwait. So let's get started. So here we can see Kuwait has 1,000 number of people unemployed and that can make money online. So the best way to make money online is without any investment and without any capital is through Fiverr. So Fiverr is a online marketplace where we can sell anything to the business owner and potential buyers. Okay, so what to sell? So you can sell here your video editing skills, your social media manager. You can be social media manager, then produce the YouTube intros, ads, doing shout outs, and image resizing, voiceovers, and many other things. Okay, and here we can see Fiverr. So it's a very great platform. You can register and you can use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.